on demand is a business model that has evolved so much. Most people think of print on demand as how you get a t-shirt or a mug printed and customized, but it has so many potential avenues. And today I'll be walking you through a niche new product that does over $150,000 a month that you can sell with zero inventory. I've posted videos in the past showing how you could launch brands related to coffee or even skincare all through print on demand without needing any money down, without having to own any inventory, and literally how you can get started today. But recently, my favorite print on demand provider, Printed Mint, launched a product that I think is going to change the game for print on demand, or should I say Engrave on demand. This is the product category of cutting boards. I am constantly sleuthing Printify, Printed Mint, Printful, all these different print-on-demand sites for you, looking for different new products that are coming up that could be a great opportunity to break into a new niche. One of the things that is brought about with print-on-demand in terms of it being difficult is how saturated it is, and I think there's value in that sentiment, but there's constantly new innovations and new technologies coming about that will allow this business model to grow so everybody can have a brand without having to start from scratch and source suppliers. It is very accessible for people like me and you that want to be able to have a side hustle or start a brand without being able to commit thousands and thousands of dollars to getting that off the ground. So that being said, as most of us do that are in the print on demand game, I was going through doing my product research and I was looking up gift.
A parent or grandparent comes into the shop looking for a gift for the child they love.
Gift is a great area that I like to look at because it just shows for the recent months, in the last 2 to 3 months, what is trending. One of the things that I'm constantly see trend is cutting boards. It's a great gift for moms, dads, grandpas, grandmas. Everybody's got a kitchen. Everybody's gonna cook. They're super fun. I think there's this wave right now of microplastics not being good for you. And so everybody's trying to swap everything out in their house from plastic to wood or to metal or to something that isn't gonna give you issues. And so cutting boards have had this proliferation, have grown quite a bit. I was baffled by the sales that were happening with customized cutting boards. As you can see here, looking up cutting boards, there are a ton of different listings and a lot of people are getting really creative with how they're marketing these. Some could be for an engagement gift or for a Father's Day gift, and there is a untapped potential on how you could market some of these products for different occasions. You could do a graduation gift. We just saw graduation become super big. You could look forward for the holidays, for new parents' gifts. There's a unlimited amount of opportunity here. And I was looking at the numbers, and of course I use my Everbee tool, and I took a look at the back end. Some of the top products here are doing over 6 figures of revenue per month, not per year, per month. And that's a lot of them. Many of them are doing crazy volume. And so there's a huge potential here, but I had no idea that this was a potential opportunity for print on demand. But of course, I'm here to bring you all of the good information. And my favorite print on demand supplier just launched cutting boards. I posted a video last week walking through my secret hack for print on demand, and that has been my print on demand supplier, Printed Mint. You can definitely use a Printify. You can use whoever you want. I've just really enjoyed Printed Mint for some of the more unique product offerings. And what I'm about to show you is exactly why I recommend them. One of their newest products, if you go into their website and you look on their catalog, is cutting boards. They have multiple different options that allows you to engrave these products and ship them out without having to own any inventory and equipment that would need engraving. And not only did they launch one, they have multiple different models across a different price range. Each one has different wood options as well across the serving board and the actual cutting boards. I think this is such a game changer for people that want to launch a kitchen or a home decor or a homewares brand. This is a perfect jumping off place for you to come in, make a design, make it custom, make it unique, and provide an experience that is truly amazing with these customized engraved boards. I'm just absolutely baffled that this is an option, and I'm so excited to see where the print-on-demand industry is going. The great benefit that we have with a company like Printed Mint is you can launch this fun cutting board, but you could also bundle on an apron or maybe a coffee mug or something else that's kitchen related or home related and bundle this as a new home gift, or bundle this as a new parent's gift, or something of that nature that makes this really unique and adds value to the offering and might allow you to offer more of an upscale pricing for something like this. So just another really great example of how we can utilize print on demand, not having to own any capital, not having to buy any inventory, to create a brand and sell products that exactly fit the needs of what the customer is looking for. And I'm so excited to see what else comes up from this type of new niche. Let me know in the comments what you think. There's a link to Print and Mint in the description if you want to check them out. Follow me, like, and subscribe. I'm posting content like this weekly, and there'll be more fun tips, tricks, and hacks like this coming your way.